Social media check-in. Let's do it.
Tam A on YouTube, is the Social Security card mailed to the same address as the green card?
Supposed to be, yes.
Anna Lesnaya on YouTube. I came on a J1 visa, filed for asylum, got married, but then divorced. I got a green card through marriage. I have a citizenship interview. Is it going to be a problem? 2 cases and a divorce.
As long as there was no misrepresentation, it doesn't sound like there's a problem.
George A. Mont on YouTube, are bakery workers considered essential?
To me, they are. I don't know yet.
That was opinion. That was opinion, everybody.
Yes, exactly.
Anna P. Parker on Facebook. My ex-boyfriend's ex-girlfriend took a restraining order out against me. I was recently arrested for violation of the restraining order. I spent a night in jail, and following morning I went to court. The judge didn't discuss the case. She just gave me a new court date, which is in November. Is it safe to travel home on my I-131?
It is safe, but if you're found guilty of violation of a restraining order on a domestic violence, you could be deportable. So, you got problems.
Suze Brown on Facebook, can an AOS be done through a spouse who has been an LPR for 3 years?
If you're in legal status, yes. If you're not in legal status, no.
Zita Sowell on Facebook. How long does it take to renew work authorization? I sent in an application on April of 2021, but still haven't received it.
They're taking 6-7 months, unfortunately.
Helen Little on Facebook, my husband is a citizen. We got married before my eldest son turned 18. Now we want to do an adjustment of status for me and petition for my children. My husband is on probation. Do you think we'll be denied both requests?
As long as your son is under 21, you can file an adjustment for him. Your husband can file an adjustment for you. As long as you are living together in a bona fide marriage, the fact that your husband's on probation has no effect on the immigration case. But I will tell you one quick story about a husband who was on probation once. The immigration officer is not dumb. They're going to call years and years ago, I had a client when I was first a lawyer, maybe going back 23, 24 years old. I went on a marriage interview, and the immigration officer asked the husband, are you on probation? And he said, yes. And he says, it's interesting, I called your probation officer. I said, you did? Yes. And I said, by the way, so-and-so is coming in for a marriage interview. And the probation officer was very shocked. And the husband said, why? And he said, because the probation officer said that you're a known homosexual. Why are you in a traditional marriage? True story, happened on one of my first adjustment interviews I ever went on.
Dang.
I learned a very, very important lesson. They're going to call the probation officer and find out about you. That's what I said when I walked out.
Damn.
Yeah.
Wow.
What was his face like after? I would have been like,
yeah, exactly.
dang.
Yeah. He was trying to explain that he likes everybody.
I mean,
So
could be.
But it was one of my first interviews I ever went on in my life.
Man,
Yeah.
got me like a Tyler Perry movie.
Yeah, all right. So, they call the probation officer. Trust me, they do.
Okay, Chan on YouTube. What's the next step when my VAWA priority date is passed?
The next step? Follow up, I guess. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.